Today, I'll walk you through how to build a powerful Notion to-do list, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create an effective task management system so you can stay organized and boost your productivity. Let's get started. First, open your Notion page and look for the plus sign. This is your gateway to adding new content. Simply click on it. You'll see a variety of options pop up, which is the first step in customizing your workspace. Now, once you've clicked the plus sign, the next step is to select templates. This option allows you to explore pre-designed layouts that can save you time and effort. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the functionality remains the same. After selecting templates, you will be directed to a new page. Here you'll want to click on templates again. This takes you to the marketplace where you can find a plethora of options tailored to your needs. Think of it as browsing through a store filled with organizational tools. There's something for everyone. Next, you'll want to utilize the search bar. Type in to-do list to narrow down your options. This is similar to searching for a specific item in a grocery store. It helps you find exactly what you need without sifting through everything else. Once you've entered your search, take a moment to browse through the various templates available. Choose one that resonates with your style and needs. This step is crucial as it sets the tone for your task management system. Pick something that you find visually appealing and functional. After selecting your preferred template, click Add. This will integrate the template into your Notion workspace, appearing on the left-hand pane of the screen. It's like adding a new book to your library. It's now part of your collection and ready for use. Finally, open the newly added template and modify it based on your preferences. You can customize it to fit your workflow, adding tasks, deadlines, and notes as needed. This is where you can truly make it your own, ensuring it works for you. And there you have it. You've successfully built a powerful Notion to-do list that can help you manage your tasks effectively. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.